Hello everyone, I welcome you all to KRLakam CBSE School Mudor online classes. So in previous class we discussed about how to compare numbers, means how to decide which is the greatest number and how to decide which is the lowest number. How will you decide? Just you have to compare depending on the positions of the number. You have to just first check for the highest position value. And before that we discussed place value of a number, means units position or ones position. Next after that tens position, hundreds position, thousands position, 10,000s position, like that. So today we will continue with arranging numbers in some order. So what is the meaning of arranging these numbers in some order? Means suppose I will write here 5, 8, 9, 7, 6, 2. Now you can see here, these are numbers I have written randomly. There is no any particular order or arrangement of the numbers. First I have written 5, 8, 9, next 7, after that 6, 2. There is no particular order. I have written numbers randomly. So now arranging these numbers means in particular order means there are mainly two methods to arrange these numbers in particular order. So that when you arrange the numbers in particular order, it will be easy to understand numbers. Means it will be easy to judge which is the greatest number, which is the lowest number, which is the middle number. For example, in your classroom, for example, there are 20 students are there. Okay, so if I take test of 25 marks and I have written numbers like this randomly, one of you taken marks 21 and 19, and someone took 22, and someone took 25, and some 15. Like this randomly if you have taken, and I have written numbers like this randomly. Here we have only 5 numbers, so that easily we can judge which is the greatest number here, which is the smallest number, easily we can judge. But when we have huge number of information, I told only 20 students now. Suppose there are in a classroom 50 students are there. So I want highest and lowest scores. We have to check all the 50 student marks. So that to compare, to understand numbers easily, what we have to do? We have to arrange these numbers in some particular manner. So there are two methods to arrange these numbers in particular manner. So first one is ascending order and next one is descending order. Ascending order, and second one what I told, descending order. These are the mainly two methods in arrangement of the numbers, arranging numbers in particular order. So here, what is the meaning of this ascending order? Means we have to arrange these given numbers in a such a manner, we have to write these numbers from lowest to highest. Okay, so first you have to select lowest number, after that next lowest number, like that you have to continue. So that ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest value. Arrangement from smallest number to greatest value. So here I will start writing these numbers from smallest to greatest. So So here first tell me which is the smallest value here. Here 21 we have 19, 22, 25, 15. So when you observe this, you can tell that 15 is the smallest value. So here I will write 15. Next, after this, which is the smallest value? After 15, here in 21, 19, 22, 25, smallest value is 19. Next, after this 19, which is the smallest value? After this 21 is the smallest value. So here I will write 21. Next, after this 21, which is the smallest value? 22. Next, after 22, which is the smallest number, or that is the greatest number of these all numbers. So last one is 25. So here I will write 25. Now you can see these are in ascending order, means smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest. So here you can see 15, 19, 21, 22, 25, like this. We have arranged this number in particular manner, means in arranging order, in ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? From smallest to greatest value. So smallest value is 15, next smallest value is 19, like that 21, 22, 25. So now by observing this arrangement, directly you can tell which is the smallest value, which is the highest value, and which is the middle value. Here smallest value is 15 and greatest value is 25. So this is called as arrangement of numbers. There are mainly two methods, ascending order and descending order. This is the example for ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Writing the numbers from smallest to greatest value. So now let us see for example for descending order. We will consider same example and we will write these numbers in descending order. So first let us see what is the meaning of descending order means. Descending order is the arrangement of numbers from greatest to smallest. We will write here numbers from greatest to smallest. So now tell me which is the greatest value here? 25. So first I will write 25. Next, after that, which is the greatest value? After 25, we have 22. Next, after 22, which is the greatest value? That is 21. Next, after 21, which is the greatest value? 19. And after 19, what we have? 15. This is called as descending order. This is reverse process of ascending order. You can see here 15 to 19, 21, 22, 25. If you write these numbers in reverse order, you will get descending order here. Okay. So here descending order means arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest. So before writing these examples, write the definition. So first take heading as arrangement of numbers. Arrangement of numbers. This is example and heading, that is arrangement of numbers. Take heading as arrangement of numbers. Below that write, below this heading write that arrangement of numbers means writing numbers in particular order. If it is fast, we can pause the video and write. Arrangement of numbers means writing numbers in particular order. Okay, write this. And next, below that write there are two methods to arrange numbers. There are two methods to arrange numbers. Below that, first side heading, first one, write it as ascending order. Ascending order. So ascending order, write the definition that ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest. Ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to greatest. Again I am telling you, if it is fast, just pause the video and again you can see, write the definition. Next one, descending order. Second heading, side heading, take it as descending order. Descending order. And write there, descending order means arrangement from the greatest to smallest. Arrangement from the greatest to smallest. Arrangement from the greatest to smallest. And below that, write this example. Okay, pause the video, write this example. So now I will continue with some more examples. $847, 9,754, 8,320, 571. Okay, so now what they are given, we have to arrange this in ascending order. We have to arrange this in ascending order. So ascending order means what I told, smallest number to greatest number. So which is the smallest number here? 571, because 847 is greater than 571 and these two are in thousands. This is 9,000 something value and this is 8,320. So that 571 is smallest value. So first I will write 571. Next, which is the smallest value? 847. So I will write 847. Okay. Next, after this, we have two 4-digit number here. One is 9,754 and one more is 8,320. So now how will you compare this? While comparing, what I told you, always compare highest position value. Here what is the highest position? 1000, because 4 digits are there: units place, tenth place, hundreds place and thousands place. So we will compare thousands place numbers here. Here we have 9 and here it is 8. Which is the greatest value? 9 is greater than 8. Okay. So 8,320 is the next smallest value. So here I will write 8,320. Next, what is remaining finally? 9,754. 9,754. So this is how to write the numbers in ascending orders. Just you have to first select the smallest number. What is the definition? This is smallest number to greatest number. Okay. Like this, some more examples you have to solve there. in page number 5 of your textbook. Page number 5 in your textbook, in top corner they have given that try this, arrange these numbers in ascending orders. So one I solved here, one more problem is there, try to solve that. Okay, so now I will solve another one example, arrange the following numbers in descending order. So I will see how to arrange numbers in descending order with one example. So here they have given 5,000, 7,500, 85,400, 7,861. So now we have to, what they have given, write these numbers in descending order. So let us see here, which is the smallest value we have to check. So here one is 5-digit number and other three numbers are only 4 digits numbers. So while writing in descending order, what is the definition? We have to write numbers from highest value to lowest value. This is greatest to smallest. So which is the greatest value here? So here you can see all these three values are having, all these three numbers are having 4-digit numbers, and this number has how many digits? 5. Therefore this has 10,000's value. This is units place. Units place means ones place, after that tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, next what you have? 10,000's place. But here in these three numbers you don't have any number in place of 10,000's position. Therefore greatest value is 85,400. This is the greatest value. So first I will write greatest value. Now which is next one? Which is the greatest value? What you have to do now? You have to check with highest position value. So what is the highest position value in these three numbers? 1000. Okay, because in all these three numbers what we have? 4-digit numbers means units place, tens place, hundreds place, last thousands place. So now we have to compare with thousands place only. So here in thousands place you can see this is 5 and here we have 7. So we know that this 7 is greater than 5. So we got to know that this 7,500 is greater than 5,000. So now I will leave this 5,000. Again I will check this 7,500 with next number, that is 7,861, because already we have written this number. So when you compare these two numbers, you can tell that here also we have 7 and here also we have 7 in thousands position. What I told, when in highest position if we got same numbers, then we have to verify or we have to check with next position. After thousands position, what do you have? That is hundreds position. So in hundreds position here we have 5, but here we have 8. So we know that this 8 is greater than 5. So that we can tell that this 7,861 is greater than 7,500. So here I will write 7,861. This is the next greatest value. Okay. So now we have written these two numbers. Okay. Still these two numbers are remaining. So in these two numbers, which is the greatest value? Already I told, when you compare number or value in highest position, we have 5 here, but here we have 7. Therefore 7 is greater than 5 means this 7500 is greater than 5000. So now I will write this 7500 here. 7500. Next, what is the number remaining? That is 5000. So I will write it last. So now we arrange these numbers in descending order. You can see here, first we have greatest value and last we have smallest value. So this is greatest to smallest value. This is called as descending order. And if you want to write this in ascending order, just you can write these numbers, descending order numbers in reverse order. So that you will get from smallest to greatest. And those are called as ascending order numbers. Okay? And here with this one more example, one more problem you have given to try. You have to try to calculate that problem. Again, what you have to do? Just compare highest position values. So one problem, one example, you have to write in ascending order, and one problem you have to write it in descending order. Okay? Don't get confused. When you have same number of digits in a number, just compare the highest position value. Suppose if you have different numbers of digits in a number, then directly write the number which has the highest digits is the greatest value. Don't get confused. Here you can see this 85,400. How many digits are there? 5 digits are there. So this is the greatest value, because in other these three numbers only 4 digits are there. So directly you can tell this is the greatest value. But when it comes to other three values here, you can see here in these three values, all the numbers contains only 4 digits only. So that how to compare? Remember this very carefully. You have to compare first with highest position value always. Okay? If the highest position value is not, if the highest position value is equal, then you have to compare with hundreds position, means next position value. You can see here in 7500, in 7861, 7 we got in highest position value in thousands position. Okay? But when it is equal, we have to compare hundreds position. Here we have 5 and 8. So you have to compare 5 and 8. So 8 is greater than 5 means 7861. Suppose again if you get same values in hundreds position also, you can compare with 10th position. Suppose if you get same value in 10th position also, then you can compare with ones position value. Okay? This is how you have to compare numbers and write numbers in ascending order and descending order. And remember that ascending order means greatest number to, ascending order means smallest to greatest number, and descending order means greatest to smallest number. And try to solve 2 to 3 examples. Already 2 examples they are given in textbook in page number 5. Solve those problems. Next class I will continue with other concepts related to exercise 1.1. Okay, thank you.